Hello everyone, welcome back to the DelphStack Tech Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to take your draw.io diagram and easily add it into Microsoft Word. It is super simple and perfect. If you want your diagrams in reports, assignments, or presentations, go to your browser, and here I have already made a little example for you. So just open your diagram. Once it is ready, go to the top left corner and click on File. Click Export As. Here you can select PNG or JPEG. I recommend PNG because it keeps your diagram clear. Now you will see the next step. You can select a transparent background. Turn this on if you don't set it on a white background. Just leave it as it is. The border width should be set to 0. Once you are done with your settings, click Export. A window will pop up, choose a location, give your file a name, and then click OK. Now your diagram is ready to be added to Word. Our next step is to open Google Docs. Click on Blank Document or open the document where you want to insert the diagram. Now click on Insert. Go to Image Upload from Computer. Go to your Downloads folder, find your diagram, and click Open. Your diagram should now appear perfectly in your document. You can resize it, move it, or adjust it like any other image. And that sets it. Now you know how to take any draw.io diagram and add it to Word quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.